Windows 11 has brought in some new features and improvements that make it look sleek and modern. But there's one thing that some users miss from the previous versions. That is the ability to hide the date and time from the system tray. You must be wondering, why not just avoid seeing it? Honestly, some people prefer to have a minimalistic look. Maybe they don't want to reveal the date and time when taking screenshots. Whatever the reason, it's still disappointing to find out that Windows 11 doesn't have an option to turn off the date and time display in the notification area. But don't worry, I have an easy trick that will help you hide your date and time in Windows 11 with just a few clicks. To begin, in Settings, open the Time and Language category from the left side. Then Language and Region, Administrative Language Settings, Format, and then Additional Settings. Next, go to the Time tab and change the short time format to just S. Then go to the Date tab and change the short date format to 3 times D. Click on Apply and OK, and you are done. You'll see both your time and date are now hidden. If you still want to check that date and time occasionally, you can add one as an additional clock, which can be checked from here. And at any point, if you ever want to restore the settings, you can use this option under Additional Settings. As per the recent reports, Microsoft is working on bringing this feature back and testing on some preview versions, but until it's released for everyone, I suggest you use this method. I hope this was useful to you, and if it was, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to my channel for more such content. Take care and have a great day.